the free AI app that talks to you in English, the free AI app with unlimited number of conversations.
Shivangi, it's been ages. How have you been?
Oh my god, I'm too good.
So,
Oops, I forgot. Hello everybody, how are you all? Hope you're doing great. So welcome back to another session of learning English and improving your English speaking skills with me. Well, today I have an app that can solve all your English speaking problems. You don't have a partner to speak English, you do not know how to practice your English. You are going to practice your English with this app. This AI app gives you unlimited free conversation practice. You can practice for hours and hours, and your conversation is going to be a real conversation, as if you're talking to a real person. So your experience is going to be amazing. What are we waiting for? Because there is a demo. I'm gonna give you the complete demo so that you know how to use this app properly, how to use the app to its maximum potential for your speaking practice and improving your fluency. So are you all ready for this? I'm Shivangi Gupta, your CELTA certified English language tutor, certified by the University of Cambridge, the UK. Before beginning, please subscribe the channel so that you can get all the lessons that I post for you on this channel. Please like the video and share it with your friends too. Now, coming back to today's lesson, the app that I'm gonna tell you. So let me give you the demo. I'm gonna show you the app here. I'm using my laptop. I'm using my MacBook for this. You can use the app either on your MacBook, on your laptop, on Android phone. You can use it even on the phones easily. It's available as an app too. Here I'm using it on my MacBook for the ease so that I can show you everything. So let's begin. Okay, and the app is Microsoft Copilot. So you just have to type simple Microsoft Copilot and you'll get this particular website. So this is the real website. This is the real AI. And this AI is going to talk to you in English. You can improve your speaking skills, have a conversation in English with it. So there are so many options over here. And it says, hey Shivangi, what's on your mind today? So you can directly start a conversation. You can use this particular icon to start a conversation. You can go practice a language. You can use this option. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip everything and I'm just going to use its talking feature directly. So see how it works.
Hey, Shivangi.
Hey, Copilot.
Howdy, Shivangi.
I'm doing good. How are you, Copilot?
I'm here and ready to chat. What about you?
I'm ready to chat with you too. So what do you suggest? On which topic can we have a conversation?
We could talk about travel or technology or even food. What's your pick?
Well, I think that we must have a conversation on some kind of situation. Can we have some kind of dialogues that you can prepare? For example, meeting a friend after a long time, and we can do role play with those dialogues.
Sure thing. Let's imagine we're meeting at a cafe. I'll start. Shivangi, it's been ages. How have you been?
Oh my god, Copilot! It's been ages. Yes, I'm too good. It's too good to see you.
Likewise, Shivangi. So, tell me, what exciting things have been happening in your life lately?
Well, a lot of exciting things are happening these days in my life. So where should I actually begin? I do not even know what to tell you.
Start with the most exciting thing on your mind right now.
So you can have the conversation with Copilot and you can feel like as if you're having the real life conversation. Can you see the tone, the pitch and everything? The Copilot is matching the situation, the high-pitched excitement of a friend meeting a new friend. So this is how it works. So let's dive in. Let's have a full conversation. What all we can talk about with the Copilot over here.
Absolutely, Shivangi. Let's dive in. So,
Oops. I forgot Copilot is actually listening to everything that I'm telling you to. So, okay, Copilot, I'm talking to you now. So, what should I tell you about the exciting things happening in my life? Well, do you know that I'm creating a lot of lessons these days, and my YouTube family, they're loving my lessons a lot.
That's fantastic. What kind of lessons are you creating?
Well, I'm creating all lessons about English, pronunciation, vocabulary, fluency technique. You name it, you got it.
That's also Shivangi. Your content must be super helpful. How do you come up with new ideas?
Oh, thank you so much, Copilot. All the new ideas that I come up with, they are there because I'm a professional. I'm a professional in this field. I have the educational background. I have done a lot of research work. I have taught a lot of students online over the world. So that's why I know a lot of things. And all of the ideas come up from my own experience of teaching the language, interacting with the language.
It definitely shows you're passionate and knowledgeable. Your students must be lucky to have you. How do
Oh,
you cope the
thank you so much, Copilot. That's such a nice, lovely thing to say.
I'm just being real. It's obvious you're making a difference. Keep it up.
Oh, that's so sweet of you.
So, what's your next big plan for your channel?
Enough talking about my channel now. There are so many plans, but let's talk about what you might be doing this summer.
I don't do summer, Shivangi. I'm just here to chat and learn. But if I could, maybe I'd explore the beaches or attend festivals. What about you? Any summer plans?
Well, exploring beaches. It sounds so exciting.
It sure does. Do you have a favorite beach destination?
Well, not exactly a favorite beach destination, but yeah, beaches are cool. The white sands, the blue water, the cool breeze, aren't they?
Absolutely. They're so refreshing. Any plans to hit the beach this summer?
Maybe, maybe not. Let's see.
Got it. Whether it's beaches or not, I hope you have a fantastic summer.
Oh, thank you so
Anything
much.
else on your mind?
Thank you so much, Copilot. Anything else on my mind? We are meeting after a long time, so let's have a cup of coffee, shall we?
I'm all in for a virtual coffee chat. What's your go-to coffee order?
Okay, now I am actually interested in placing an order for a coffee. So, can we have a conversation on that? Maybe you can be a barista and I can place an order for myself for a cup of coffee.
Absolutely. Welcome to Copilot's Cafe. What can I get started for you today?
Well, this Copilot's Cafe looks so interesting, and I would like to have a cup of cappuccino.
Coming right up. 1 cup of cappuccino for you. Would you like any syrup or extra toppings with that?
Oh, I would like to have some chocolate syrup with it.
Excellent choice. 1 cappuccino with chocolate syrup coming up. Anything else for you today?
Well, I would like to have a small sized burger with it.
A small size burger to go with your cappuccino. Great combo. Anything else?
I want it to be a vegan, and I don't want any kind of extra cheese in it.
Got it. 1 vegan burger. No extra cheese. Anything else you'd like to add?
No, that's it. I'll be waiting at my table.
Perfect. Your order will be ready shortly. I'll bring it over to your table when it's done. Enjoy your time at Copilot's Cafe.
Oh, I would love to enjoy it.
Enjoy your meal, Shivangi.
Oh, thank you. So like this, you can have conversation with Copilot on a number of topics, and you will feel like, yeah, you're talking to a real person. Unlimited conversation, that means you can change the topic anytime that you want. You can pick up a new topic, you can have conversation on that. You can ask Copilot to suggest a topic to you too. So it's all just one click away from you. Just have to log into Copilot, just click on that speaker icon right here and start having a conversation with Copilot. It's so amazing. Now, if you want to end the chat, you just have to click here on the cross button and you can end it. And then what you can do is you can just review. So you can review your whole conversation here and you can see whatever you have spoken. You can see everything here in the written form. The whole conversation is in the written form for you. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is go check the conversation, and if you can improve it, if you can think that I could have said this, I could have made my sentences in this particular way, you can have a conversation with Copilot on the very same topic once again. I'm not going to give you the demo on that particular thing. I'm not going to give you the demo on the same topic once again. It's for you to do. So you can have the conversation on the same topic again and again if you want. And if you want to add more domains, more vocabulary, anything else, just have a conversation and take it in that particular direction by giving a command to Copilot. That you have to do. You have to give command to Copilot. For example, like I gave the command to Copilot to shift the conversation towards placing an order for coffee. I had to shift its direction. So that is something that you have to do, one thing, because this is AI we are working with. You have to give the command. If you are giving the right prompt, right command, you can have unlimited conversation and practice your speaking skills with Microsoft Copilot, the free AI app that talks to you in English, the free AI app that is going to help you improve your English speaking skills with unlimited number of conversations. And this is the most trusted app because it is developed by Microsoft. So what are you waiting for? Go and practice your speaking skills because you just had the demo with me. So use my demo as a particular base for what you're supposed to do, what commands are you supposed to give to Copilot, and then have a conversation like this. It can be fun, it can be spontaneous too. So that's it for today. That is it. Before going, please like the video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe the channel for more English lessons. If you want more such lessons like this, do let me know in the comment box below. Till then, everybody, take care. I'm going to meet you in the next lesson, and bye.